Namaste students. In this video we are going to see Pythagoras theorem. This one is very important theorem. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. This is the statement of the theorem. And ABC is a right angle triangle. It is right angled at B. Clear? That only I am going to take to prove this theorem. First, given. First point, ABC is a right triangle. Second point, right angled at B. So ABC is a triangle, right triangle, and it is right angled at B. This is given. Prove that the square of the hypotenuse. Which one is the hypotenuse? The side which is opposite to the right angle is a hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So AC square. The square of the hypotenuse AC square is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. AB square plus BC square. This only we have to prove. Clear? Now proof. Before that we have to draw one line, that is construction. We have to draw one line. Draw a line BD that must be perpendicular to AC. Draw a line BD. That must be perpendicular to AC. Clear, all of you? So given, what is given? ABC is a right triangle. It is right angled at B. To prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Construction. Draw BD perpendicular to AC. Okay. Now start proof. So we have to tell that the side AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. No? For that, what I am going to do means, I am going to take a full triangle and this portion triangle ADB. Clear? This is the first triangle I am going to take. Okay. In triangle. First, in triangle ABD, that is the first triangle, and I am going to take a triangle ABC, that is whole triangle. Whole triangle and this first triangle. Okay. ADB and triangle ABC. We have to prove that the two triangles are similar. How we can prove that the two triangles are similar? ABC is a full triangle and ADB is half a part of a triangle. How we can prove that the two triangles are similar? This angle B is 90 degree in the triangle ABC, and the angle D makes make 90 degree in the triangle ADB. So that I am going to take, and one more angle I have to prove it is equal. So what we can prove in the blue color and in the first triangle, which one is a common? This is common. The angle A is common. Like that I am going to prove. Clear? So angle A is equal to angle A, that is common, and angle D is equal to angle B here. Remaining things write like this. Okay. AC. And then each 90 degree. Each 90 degree. So we can tell by AA similarity criterion triangle ADB is similar to the triangle ABC. Is similar to the triangle ABC. And I'm going to divide like this, and I'm going to take another portion, that triangle, second triangle. This triangle I'm going to take. Clear? Which one is BDC? And whole triangle ABC. First triangle BDC, this triangle, and the whole triangle. Okay, in that also angle B and angle D makes make 90 degree, and C is common. So angle C is equal to angle C, that is common, and D is equal to B. Each 90 degree by AA similarity criteria is similar to the triangle ABC. So we proved that the triangles are similar. Why we proved that the two triangles are similar? To prove that the sides are in proportion. That the sides are in proportion. I'm going to write now. Okay. Listen carefully. Corresponding sides. What are the corresponding sides for this full triangle and the ABD? That is very easy. From here only I am going to write, not from there. Okay. AD divided by AB and AB divided by AC. Clear? AD divided by DB, sorry, AB is equal to AB divided by AC. Clear? AD divided by AB, AB divided by AC. That is nothing but that AB is AD is proportional to the side AB. Okay, and then AB proportional to the side AB. This AB proportional to the side full angle AC. Clear kana? So in this way you can remember easily AD divided by AB, AB divided by AC. How it is? Corresponding sides of a similar triangle are in same ratio. Okay, likewise we can write for this also. DC divided by BC here. BC divided by AC. DC, where is DC? DC divided by BC. This one. DC divided by BC. And these two sides are proportional to BC to this full side AC. Clear? DC divided by BC, BC divided by AC. Corresponding sides of a similar triangles are equal. So from this two, we can find by cross multiplying it. Okay, AD into AC is equal to AB into AB. So AD dot AC is equal to AB square. Clear? Next, DC into AC is equal to BC into BC. And then DC into AC is equal to BC square. Mark this as equation 1 and mark this as equation 2. From 1 and 2, we can add it, no? So AD into AC plus BC into AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. From 1 and 2, that is add 1 and 2. So we can write. Then AC and AC is common, so I am going to take it out. The remaining is AD plus DC. The remaining is AD plus DC. AB square plus BC square. Here AC, AD plus DC, DC is AD plus DC whole angle, whole side, AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC into AC, we can write it as AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Clear? So we proved that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. This is very easy theorem. I tell you again, first given ABC is a right triangle, right angled at B. Prove that, we have to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Construction, draw BD perpendicular to AC. Then first I am going to take this triangle 1 and the whole triangle, that is blue color triangle. I proved that the two triangles are similar. Next you have to take this second triangle and the whole triangle, and you have to prove that the triangles are similar. So now I proved that the triangles are similar. Since the triangles are similar, I can tell that the corresponding sides are in same proportion, that is ratio, same ratio. Instead of taking from this figure, I am going to write easily that AD, first you have to start from A. AD divided by AB is equal to AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. Clear kana? If there is any doubt, AD, AB, AB, AC. Like that you have to choose. And then DC, BC is equal to BC, AC. Clear? First you have to take DC divided by BC and BC divided by AC. Clear kanna? Then cross multiply it and write that AD into AC is equal to AB square and DC into AC is equal to BC square. So from 1 and 2, add the two things, 1 and 2. Add, and AC is common, so take it out, and the remaining is AD plus DC is equal to AB square plus BC square. Write AC as it is, and the AD plus DC is nothing but AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. So the remaining is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, hence proved. Clear? Thank you.